you heard Debdas Sen talk about the fact that we are being like the government. It's about energy independence. So there is a way to leverage what we have, and then take the things that are coming new and build a hybrid future. And efficiency is going to play a big role in that. I mean, the new technologies are going to play a big role in that. But remembering the past and improving the old technologies is also going to play a very, very large part. We're in the business of creating technologies for refineries, petrochemicals, a lot of green energy, downstream. And our focus is how do we get more out of that carbon on one side, as well as more out of the new materials on the other side, and the productivity gains that we are getting is phenomenal. The key is productivity gains. The key is higher conversion. It's a $7 trillion industry which is driving the world, and the ability to convert more is what's going to really make the future. And I'm absolutely certain that it is the century of India. It is also the age of AI. But we are an AI company. So what we do is superimpose AI on critical infrastructure. For example, we just had a very large refinery come up here in India, and we were able to make it AI first. What that means is that you're able to manage the refinery from wherever you are, be able to predict what could potentially go wrong, and have the maximum possible EUA throughput and margin to it. So it is absolutely the age of AI, where it's going to make it work and work at scale. That's what we do at Lummus Digital and TCG Digital. We have a product called MQ, and what MQ does is makes this AI work at scale on critical infrastructure. So there are a lot of AI companies, a lot of AI solutions that are there. Now, the ability to get the solution, the best in AI, along with the best in process technology. On one side, we have 100-year-old process technology, we have 200 processing, we're a 100-year-old company. All the equations, all that knowledge is tremendous. How can we take that knowledge and combine it with the best in machine learning, with the best in generative AI, with the best in large language models, and be able to create a hybrid solution that is absolutely perfect, because pure AI is dangerous. When AI is God created with the right phonetics, that's phenomenal.